Rice is one of the most popular foods in the world, but if you have diabetes, you've probably been told to avoid it completely because it raises blood sugar. But what if I told you that's not entirely true? Yes, some types of rice can cause sugar spikes, leading to insulin resistance and weight gain. But not all rice is created equal. In fact, some varieties of rice have a low glycemic index, are rich in fiber, and can even help regulate blood sugar when eaten correctly. So, how do you know which rice is safe? In today's video, I'll reveal the 5 best types of rice for diabetics, their benefits, and how to eat them without worrying about glucose spikes. And make sure to stick around until the end because I'll share a game-changing trick to make any rice more diabetes-friendly. Plus, if you want a step-by-step meal guide to control blood sugar naturally, check out my ebook, Eat to Beat Diabetes, where I reveal secret foods and recipes that help manage diabetes effectively. The link is in the description. Let's dive in. The 5 best rice for diabetics. 1. Brown rice, the high-fiber powerhouse. First on our list is brown rice. Unlike white rice, which is stripped of its fiber and nutrients, brown rice retains its bran and germ layers, making it much healthier. Glycemic index 50 to 55, lower than white rice. High in fiber slows down digestion and prevents blood sugar spikes. Rich in magnesium, improves insulin sensitivity. How to eat it. Pair brown rice with lean protein like chicken, tofu, or fish and non-starchy vegetables to balance your blood sugar. 2. Basmati rice, the slow-digesting white rice alternative. If you love white rice but worry about sugar spikes, basmati rice is a great alternative. Glycemic index 50 to 58. Longer digestion time prevents sugar spikes. Choose brown basmati for more fiber. How to eat it. Mix basmati rice with lentils or chickpeas for an extra dose of fiber. Black rice, also known as forbidden rice, is packed with fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients. Its glycemic index ranges from 42 to 50, which is one of the lowest. It's rich in anthocyanins, which protect against inflammation, and its high fiber content helps slow glucose absorption. So how do you eat it? Well, black rice pairs well with stir-fried vegetables, grilled tofu, or salmon. And hey, if you want a full list of the best foods to lower blood sugar, download my ebook, Eat to Beat Diabetes. In it, I break down exactly what to eat, when to eat it, and the best food combinations to keep your glucose levels stable. The link is in the description. Wild rice, the protein and fiber champion. Did you know wild rice isn't actually rice? It's a type of grass with exceptional protein and fiber content, making it a great choice for diabetics. High in protein and fiber, it slows digestion, keeping blood sugar stable. It's also loaded with antioxidants, which helps prevent diabetes complications. Plus, it lowers insulin resistance. How to eat it? Try wild rice with grilled salmon, steamed greens, and avocado. Red rice, the heart and blood sugar protector. Red rice is rich in anthocyanins, the same compounds found in berries and grapes that improve cardiovascular health. Its glycemic index ranges from 55 to 60, making it a good option for diabetics. It's packed with antioxidants, protecting against oxidative stress. It also supports heart health, which is crucial since diabetics are at higher risk of heart disease. How to eat it? Serve red rice with grilled chicken, steamed vegetables, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds for extra nutrition. How to eat rice without spiking blood sugar. Even the best rice can cause glucose spikes if eaten incorrectly, but here's how to enjoy rice without guilt. Pair it with fiber by adding vegetables, beans, or chia seeds. Include protein like lean meats, tofu, eggs, or fish to help slow digestion. Healthy fats matter too. Olive oil, nuts, or avocado can reduce blood sugar spikes. And remember, portion control is key. Stick to half a cup, about the size of your fist, per meal. Want more practical tips like this? Grab your copy of Eat to Beat Diabetes, the ultimate guide to controlling blood sugar naturally without giving up your favorite foods. Link in the description. Before you go, if you're serious about taking control of your diabetes and want to learn exactly what to eat to manage blood sugar, you need my ebook, Eat to Beat Diabetes. Inside, you'll discover the best low GI foods for diabetics, how to create blood sugar-friendly meals, secret ingredients that improve insulin sensitivity, and delicious diabetes-safe recipes. This ebook has already helped thousands of people improve their blood sugar, and now it's your turn. Click the link in the description to download your copy today. Comment below. Which rice do you eat the most? Brown, basmati, black wild, or red? Let's discuss in the comments. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more science-backed health tips. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Until next time, stay healthy and stay strong.